Olivia, what are you doing with the kitty?
Here, kitty. Here, kitty. I love Mickey. I love Mickey. Fight the kitty. No, no. No, don't join the kitty. Easy.
She probably thinks it's alive with two toys.
Easy. Easy. Good girl. Lucy.
What?
Drink it, don't spill it.
And don't dare drop that glass. Easy.
Or that's cold.
That's good.
Easy. Easy.
Olivia. She
Not
just
exactly.
a little bit, not rough, but a little bit pushy.
Yep. No. No, take her in the kitchen.
Is he yelling at her, like calling her?
They don't hear them or see them.
There he is. Olivia, I mean, Leela.
Hey there.
He's up against the wall. Mickey, come on. Come on, Mickey. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I mean, I think if she was gonna want to kill him, she would have went for him.
She's not aggressive towards him at all. She just plays rough.